So hi there, right now I'm currently inside ChatGPT, and you might be wondering what am I doing here. So for example, I just want to show you a very good tool here, and then this is gonna be my reference. Now I already typed in ChatGPT a certain question and it gave me a result. And now if I highlight this one, and without doing anything, it will prompt me this option, wherein I can just click explain and choose related papers. If I click on explain right there, it will give me a drop-down side icon or window, wherein it will give me an explanation what I just highlighted. Pretty awesome, right? Because on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do research literature review using this new AI tool 2024. And this new AI tool, we're gonna call it SciSpace. Now it is currently only accessible in Chrome, if I'm not mistaken, so please correct me if I'm wrong. And to access it, you're gonna need to go to this website. So this website is the one you're looking for. As you see right there, it's gonna be SciSpace. 2 hours of research in minutes. Right now, it's currently installed on my extension, and it should be looking like this. It's just like a foldable chair with a very neon color. And it works in every text you have inside your web search. For example, let's go back on ChatGPT. Now once we're here, let me just choose an example. Again, I'm just gonna type here or highlight it and click on ask and explain. So right now I have a lot of conversations here with SciSpace. So you might be asking me how come I need this one. One simple answer is that everything is using AI now. Why not hop on the trend, right? Second, this will eliminate labor work. This will eliminate so much time doing literature work. For example, this exact phrase was from ChatGPT, and I only asked SciSpace to explain it for me. So understanding the title, we have it right there. Development of quantum algorithms, we have it right here. Implementations, we have it over here. And real-world application, we have it right there. Of course, the last one, significance of the title, of course, we have here right here, or basically the summary. Now, there are a lot of things that you can look here. For example, we're currently on the standard volume. If you want to go for high quality, this is going to be for the paid subscription. And yes, the free trial only comes in with a few features, but it is good enough for free trial usage. For example, you can copy your option here or copy a response and use it on your paper. You can share it on this button right here. Now, for example, you want to ask some more. You can simply click on this one, what is the purpose of this webpage, or you can load it up with so much more questions. And now on the top section, you might be asking me, what is this option? Basically, this is a language change option, wherein if you want Chinese, Japanese, and so much more, please do so. This is a bookmark or add to your collection, wherein if I click on this one, it will add a collection inside my library. This can be accessible inside SciSpace. So for example, I'm going to name this one first or place it right there. If I want to go to my library, simply click on that option right here. And right now, I'm currently inside my library. What the lesson that I got from ChatGPT is going to be around quantum algorithms. There is the preview right there. And by the way, guys, if you're watching my previous video about Zotero, you can import them on this option. As you can see right here, we have Zotero option here, or you can upload them on your PDF. By the way, guys, let's check on the pricing before we move further. So for the pricing, for the basic, we have, of course, free trial. We already have Copilot. However, it only comes with the standard model. Limited Copilot messages, limited paraphraser, and limited literature review. In comparison, for the premium, which is going to be $12 per month, best Copilot answer with the high quality model, and basically with this one, the major changes is going to be their Copilot. Other than that, you can export in CSV, BIB, RIS, and XML with a different usage right there. Now, if you want to have a discount, you're going to need your university logins or your domain or your laboratory to really use it. Anyway, let's go back on our library. So right here, you're going to have an option to use as a Chrome, as a Discord, or basically with ChatGPT. We have Copilot right there, a citation generator, a paraphraser. We even have AI detector. By the way, guys, we have a new feature as citation booster and literature review. If you click on home right now, we'll arrive on basically inside the home bottom of SciSpace. And we're gonna have a very simple design wherein if you type everything here, you can have any answers you want. For example, how does climate change directly impact this one, or biodiversity. Here are the studies wherein you can import it on Zotero, and with this one, you can ask Copilot directly. For example, if I click on Ask Copilot about this paper, I can just simply, what is this paper about? Something like that. And you may be asking me, how come I need Copilot? Though the reason to that is very simple again. This will save me so much time. I don't have to think, I don't really have to do so much here. I have an assistant basically, and there's we have it. So what is this paper about? One simple question gave me a lot of answers. For example, paper overview, we have this bullet that you can review on your own liking. Also, the one I like about this one is, if you click on the PDF option, you can download it with no problem at all. You're gonna see these two commas right there. This is basically citations. Now you have APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, and so much more. Of course guys, you can choose and check on the citations here. For example, if I click on this one or the insights, you can go to your save on your notebook. Of course, if I click on this option right here, it will open up a new result or a new tab, wherein I can fully focus on the study itself inside SciSpace. Of course, I can click on the link right here. Basically, these are the sources. I'm gonna go to it right now. Now going back on ChatGPT because I want to show you a little bit more power regarding this Copilot SciSpace. Again, if I click on this one, copy the exact result, like so, and go on literature review now. If I paste it here, click on the search button. So you're gonna arrive here wherein you're gonna have the 5 results or top 5 results inside for your paper. It will explain to you what kind of paper you have for the type 5 reasons, and also you're gonna have a sample here for 10 references or 10 similar papers you have. Now speaking on the below section right here, you're gonna have columns. Suggestions, you have the conclusion, summary abstract results, and so much more. Of course, you can add a column on this option. For example, if I add in contributions here, I'm gonna have a contributions option. Of course, I can delete columns with that option right there. Pretty simple, right? Pretty awesome. And now if I click on the references here, for example, the sample papers, it will lead you on this another paper. Basically, they're just connected on different types of papers. I keep saying paper here because they're just really papers. For example, if I click on this one or I click on the option that says go to paper, it will lead me to the paper specific suggestions. For example here, I'm currently inside the main source of that specific paper. Now again guys, there are two options here. If you go back on SciSpace and you click only on the title, it will open the paper inside SciSpace. But if you click on the option earlier that says go to paper, it will open up the main source of your paper. So another thing to take note of is you can click on PDF to download your PDF on your paper, or there should be an option here that says full text to download the full text to your computer. Right now they removed that option and they only have PDF now, because basically they're just the same thing. Now once you're on the main page of SciSpace, you can have a lot of options. So we already explored literature review. We're gonna have an option that says ask questions on PDF, extract data, or paraphraser. So let's try extracting the data here. If you upload the PDF there, I'm just gonna look for a sample PDF I got. I'm gonna go for this one, and basically with that, it will extract that exact PDF content. For example, right here, if you're familiar with their user interface, it's much like Zotero. Again guys, I have a video about that, so please check it out. Now this is gonna be the exact content of my PDF. You can either ask questions on this paper, edit it, or basically delete it. This is gonna be the summary inside it. I already have citations with it. I have 2 citations inside my paper of the PDF. Awesome, right? Also, one more tool that is very useful inside SciSpace is basically the paraphraser. It helps you catch plagiarism. That's the main source here. For example, if I copy example summary here, I'm just gonna copy some things here. I'm gonna go with this one right here. Click on copy. And basically go back on the plagiarism texture, paste it right there, and paraphrase. Right now, it's currently paraphrasing a lot of stuff here. You can go academic, fluent, formal, creative, and options are right there. Now, if I paraphrase right now, as you can see right there, they have AI detection. So if I click on paraphrase, it's currently paraphrasing this exact phrase that I have into this new one. So right now, this is the paraphrased option. That is basically academic. I can change it to fluent, formal, creative. That's gonna be by your own liking. So to wrap this up, I kept saying Zotero, right? But if you simply click on Zotero option here, you can import everything you have in Zotero and put it on SciSpace. So I'm gonna tackle everything here exactly how to use the Zotero import section and this upload PDF option for a new book on my next video. So again guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.